Today I had a special request from Nasima to make a K-pop ring. I tried to make it out of a paper clip, but the paper clip was a little small. I have 20 gauge wire, and I'm just going to take the wire with my round pliers and form the letters. Now I don't want to make them too big, otherwise it's not going to fit for a ring. I will link up a playlist of letter and name tutorials below. You can also make individual letters that say K-pop to put on 4 different fingers. So this is the K. I'm going to just do it like that. And the round up. We'll bring that to the front and around to the back and across. Then I'm going to use larger round pliers to do the circle. I'm going to bring that one around. Check it out. You can rotate it over a little more and do the O. So we'll bring the wire around to make the O. Try not to make this too wide. And we're going to bring this one up. Bring this to the front. And then do the bottom of the P. Bring this one around and then straight across. We'll get our round pliers again. Bring this one around. Check it's about the same size. Wiggle it around. Get it underneath that wire there, so it sits in between the front and the back wire. Give it a pinch. You can just adjust these. You can bring these closer if you need. So there we have K-pop. You can get a marker, hold it on the marker, and bring the wires around one side and the other. I'm just going to bring these to the center back. I'm going to remove it from the marker, and then you want to hold it in the center. If you want it adjustable, hold it lower on the pliers, and you want this to be center back. So from here you can take one and wind it around. This is a little long, so we can actually clip it and then bring this one through, and you can wrap it around once or twice. And then we can do the same on this side. We're going to flip it, hold it with the pliers again, and bring this one through. You can clip the wire first if you want. So bring it through once and twice. Wiggle it to get it tighter. Clip one side, clip the other, and you can just pinch in the sharp ends. That side too. You can put it back on the marker to straighten it out, and there you have your K-pop ring.